last thing we're going to cover with interfaces is we're going to put together a grid. So go ahead and pause here and set it up just like this. Then we're going to set up our J-frames. So go ahead and set up your J-frame. I'm going to change, obviously I just copied and pasted it from GUI window. So we're going to say grid. Set the box, since this is going to be grid, you can make it whatever size you want. I'm going to do 300 by 200. And then don't forget to have your exit on close so we can allow the user to quit the program. So now we need to start setting up our actual JPanel. So don't forget to start with your JPanel. And I'm just going to be really boring here and say P1. And we're going to set the background. So P1.setBackground. And instead of doing color dot whatever, you guys are going to create your own colors. So you're going to do new color. Now colors go by red, green, blue. So you may have heard RGB before, a term that they usually use in television. You can actually adjust that on your TV with more red, green, or blue. So you're going to set your red, and it's range from 0 to 255. So set your red to whatever you want to, set your green to whatever you want to. Can't make it be more than 255. And set your blue to whatever you want to. So you don't really know what that's going to look like until you're done, but you can play with them and make them different colors. So copy and paste, same thing. We're going to make 4 panels. So when you're going through, I'm going to make that P2, P2.setBackground, and change up the color for each one. Whatever you want it to be. If you remember way back to all of your whatever you learned colors, if you make it 255, 255, and 255, you're going to get white because it shows all the colors. If you made them all zeros, that would be black. If you made red 255 and everything else 0, you just get red. So you can kind of play with your numbers a little bit to whatever color preferences you like. All right, once you have all of your panels set up, we're going to create our container. So container, and I'm just going to call it C, but make sure you spell the word container right because otherwise it won't work. So container C equals, and then whatever you named your J-frame. So we called it Bob. Get content name, open close parenthesis. Oh, make sure you spelled box right. All right, and then we do C dot set layout. So this is actually going to change how you want it to look. So we want new grid layout, and we want it to be 2 by 2. So we want 4 grids total, or 4 boxes. I'm having trouble spelling today. Make sure you spell layout right. All right, so now we need to add all of our panes here. So P dot add and then P1. I'm just going to copy and paste it because I'm lazy. P2, P3, and P4. All right, and don't forget the most important part, do box dot set visible so that we can see it and make it true. Okay, we should be able to run that. And it brought back a grid. If you don't like the colors or the way that your colors look, mine are kind of weird, you can obviously fix that. For your assignment, you guys do not have anything from your book, but you have a couple of things on Moodle that you're going to do. No questions for this one, just the 2 projects. Good luck and let me know if you have any questions.